In this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to create Threads account. If you're trying to get started with Threads, but you don't know how, then here's how you can do it. First things first, go ahead and download the Threads application from Instagram on your mobile device. Open up your Play Store or your App Store and in the search box type in Threads. Once you find the application, go ahead and download it on your mobile device. Once you got the application downloaded, tap on Open to launch Open Threads. Now, from here, you'll be able to see the Login with Instagram button at the bottom of the screen. You can also switch accounts by tapping Switch and enter your email address or your mobile number followed by a password and log into your Instagram account. If you want to continue logging in with the Instagram account that has been shown at the bottom right here, give it a tap and then wait for a few seconds. Now, you can customize your Threads profile here in this page. To import your profile details from Instagram, tap on the Import from Instagram button and you'll be able to download your profile picture, your bio, and other links that you've set for your Instagram profile. Now, tap on Continue at the bottom and then choose whether you want your account to be public or private. Make your selection and then tap Continue at the bottom. Here, you'll be enlightened with your followers who have Thread accounts. Go ahead and tap on the Follow button to follow them. And then, after you are done, tap on Join Threads at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to join in or create a Threads account. Pretty simple, isn't it? Here, you'll be able to see the text, photos, and videos shared from the users. You can also get started by creating a new thread by tapping on the pencil icon at the bottom. That is how you can easily create a Threads account in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more of these quick tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.